Alright guys, here is the front badge replacement video. As you can see, I've put some blue masking tape over the top of the emblem on the paint so the grill won't get messed up. I don't have a plastic removal tool. I am using a flathead screwdriver very carefully. Get a plastic removal tool if you don't want to mess up your paint under your badge. Okay, if this is wobbly or goes all weird, it's because I can't find my tripod and I'm using a Swiffer stick with my phone zip tied to it. So yeah, once again, more ghetto-ness. And I can't find anybody to be a videographer today, so here we go. First things first, I gotta remove the badge that's on there. Tools required for this front video are going to be a flathead, not recommended, or a plastic removal tool, pry tool, a test light, some electrical tape, 2 butt connectors, some wire clippers, and that's what we're going with for now. Alright, first things first. Like the other videos I'll send you links from Custom Black Guns and Tuned Rams. I told you I like the shirt, Mike. This is easy. Reach down in behind the center of the grill, push out, get your screwdriver or pry tool behind this. Your two-sided is going to be hard. It's going to be hard as crap to pry off. But once you get behind it, it's easy. As long as you don't drop your screwdriver down in your grill. Alright. So there, I've got it loose, that easy. But I change mine a lot. Well, this one's been on there a couple months, but I'll get to how to wire it up. Right now, I just want to show you guys how to install them and everything. Disconnect your negative battery cable if you're working on electrical stuff. Let's say that was your factory one. This one's not. This is the Hobgoblin's one that I had on. I'm putting the Night Stalker series with blue lights on. So, and I don't think I put any kind of a scratch on my grill either. But you could using a metal screwdriver, so I wouldn't recommend it. Then it's easy as peel off your two-sided tape that's included. wire through. I've got a giant hole there just because that was how I did it when I first put it on. Feed your wire through, put your guide pins, line them up. Press with force on the top and the sides and the bottom like that, because a lot of people are like, man, I'm having trouble with the clips. I can't get the bottom to go in. I can't get the top to go in. Do like Joey Bellagio did. You can hold the back of the grill while you push. But if you push on these four corners firmly, where you feel it flexing, it'll go on. See, that looks badass. All right, so now we can get the tape out of the way. Now all there is to it is wiring. Okay, so for temporary sake, I'm just gonna run this wire right up through here just to get us going here. I'm gonna turn my key on so I can show you guys when it lights up. Now see, I don't run out of a fuse box for this front badge. I run out of a button that I plug into my cigarette lighter so I can turn it on and off, even though I let it run all the time. Okay, first thing I'm doing is finding out which one's positive, which one's negative, and that's not lighting up. So that's positive, that's negative, that's lit up. All right. That looks badass. I'm glad I'm back to blue eyes. I like the green, that was cool, but I'm a black and blue kind of person. Alright, so I'm gonna go kill my switch a minute. These do not long. Sorry about that. This is a ghetto setup. The wind's blowing hard too. Alright. Basically, that's your front badge, okay? When you go to hook it up, you can run a wire through the rubber grommet down in the firewall like I did and run it into a switch for your cigarette lighter, or you can run it off of an accessory fuse. I know, it's ghetto, I don't care, I just wanted to do it, that's what I did. You can't see it at car shows or anything else. It runs into the box nice and neat, and then it's all zip tied. So that's just temp, that's run into mine. You saw it, very easy. You don't have to take your whole grill off. Okay, that's the front. Give me a few minutes and I'm gonna